No more fax lines at your office. The fax lines are housed in the cloud. You simply tap into that cloud using email, MFD devices, pushing that data up to the cloud, and then the cloud faxes that out for you. A traditional fax system basically is you have a fax machine sitting there, you take a document, you shove it in, you dial the fax number, and it transmits it out. With eGoldFax, simply open up your email client, type in the fax number at eGoldFax in the to address, add a body and a subject. Those will be transposed onto a fax cover page, attach a document, and send. The reason why we want to switch to electronic faxing is more secure. It allows us to see what the users are doing, how they're faxing, when they're faxing, how many pages they're faxing, allowing us to have a better workflow process in terms of how to get documents from point A to point B more efficiently. It keeps everything in a vault, so it allows them to go back and receive faxes, see the received faxes, see the sent faxes, see what they actually are in a PDF, and it can keep that up to 10 years. If you send it via email, you will get a confirmation because it was sent from you. You will get a confirmation stating that it went through, the time it took, when it went through, how many pages it was, and also a sample of the document. You will not get outages. You will not get rollover failures. It always will allow you to send a fax and always allow you to receive a fax. You can eliminate the amount of ports that you have because you can always have it condensed down into 2 or 3 lines for the whole company. Faxes are encrypted in transit using TLS 1.2 or 1.3. They also have a standard encryption of AES 256, which allows you to be compliant with GDPR, FERPA, and PCI. With the changes in technology in terms of VoIP systems and all these different things, we're dealing with an analog fax system. So when you send a fax up to their cloud solution, you're bypassing all those steps from going from the wall to inside your building to outside the building to the municipal. It goes directly to a municipal and sends out across those lines, which eliminates fax failures. Scan the QR code or visit the link in the description to learn more.